Where could that sock be hiding? It must be somewhere warm and cozy, somewhere soft. Then his eyes landed on his toy box, sitting in the corner of his room. It was full of his favorite things. Let's see. Not here, not here. Oh. And then he froze, eyes lighting up. Oh, found it. Teddy! You were wearing it all along. You must have been cold last night. Mama, look! 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 I found it! Oh my. You really did! Where was it, sweetheart? Teddy was wearing it like a scarf. Looks like Teddy wanted to be cozy, too. Next time, I'll check Teddy first. You're such a clever little detective. Did my detective take a cookie break during his investigation? Maybe just one cookie. Well then, let's share another one together. The laundry was folded, the house was peaceful, and everything and everyone was cozy once again.